everyone, welcome back to my channel VJFamilyCrafts. I hope you are doing great. Today we're gonna learn world's fastest and easiest paper plane. So without any delay, let's get started. First you will need one origami paper like this. Follow my step till the end. First, fold the paper like this. Open it back. Fold it like a normal paper plane. And then do it like this. Fold the paper like this. And then do like this. Then fold it like this. Paper like this. Now it's ready. Isn't that simple and easy? It's your turn to make it. Follow my steps. You will be able to make it. Let me know in the comments. What would you like me to make the next craft? I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel VJFamilyCrafts for more videos. See you in the next video. Bye bye, tata.